Welcome to captivating exploration the world of major rebar furniture, where creativity meets durability and innovation fused with functionality. In this journey, we delve deep into the art of crafting furniture pieces that not only stand to stunning work of but also endure test of time. Major rebar its robustness and versatility serves as the foundation of our design as we elevate industrial material into exquisite and functional piece that refined interior space. Metro rebar, often criticized as a mere construction element, become a canvas of artistic experience in the realm of future design. Unleashing creativity upon these raw materials, skilled artisans employ techniques such as bending, welding, and to model into the captivating form from elegant dining chair that harmonize sleek lines with ergonomic comfort to amazing coffee table that seamlessly blend illumination with possibilities are boundless. Each creation tell a unique story, testament to the artisan's ignite and mastery. Beyond this aesthetic lore, metal bar furniture examples these nurture from the function, the utilization of industrial materials ensure not only captivating design, not but also its potential durability withstand through everyday us furniture pieces stand tall to face of time, making them ideal for both residential and commercial space. This perfect marriage of artisan vision and structural integrity embody to a sense of modern design. At the heart of every metal furniture piece lies to craftsmanship that breathe life into the material and symphony of precious impatient and artisans touch platform called uphelching rebar object to desire. Each well to teasement to skill, every curve a teasement is to dedication, craftsman expertise shines through the flawless fusion of elementary artistry and engineering converge to create furniture and second meant to resonate with the soul. One of the most captivating aspects of metal rebar furniture lie in the versatility and variety from rebar industrial rock rustic countryside home. These pieces seamlessly adapt to diverse design sensibilities, explore the juxtaposition of rigid rebar upholstery in the contemporary setting, embrace the elegance of exposed matter to industrial inspired space with the extensive spectrum finishes, texture and design to choose from. Every piece become a unique reflection of personal style. In the area of highlighted environmental consciousness, metal bar furniture emerged as a beacon of eco-friendly elegance by repurposing industrial material. We not only reduce our carbon footprint but also contribute to sustainable future and enhance durability of matter. Rebar translate into longevity, minimizing the need for frequent replacement and further reducing waste. Embracing this trend not only decor space with breathtaking furniture but also play a role of preserving the planet. Daily of major rebar furniture now on transcending traditional design, beyond indoor space with creative seamlessly extend their influence outdoor brands, cars and with their captivating presence, rain or shine, jar Metro Rebar ensured that the species remain steadfast against the elements, offering touch to elegance to Frexo living area. Immerse yourself in the art of customization as you embark on a journey to design future that aligns perfectly with your vision, with its thinking dimension of each space, of selecting to personalized that complement your interior petals or words of material bar furniture create your every this bespoke approach empower to you create a space of execute individual and unique person.